Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to clear all the hostname using hostnamectl command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So first I am logging as a root user in terminal, typing hostnamectl command. So here you can see there is already static hostname is set and pretty hostname is also set. So let us try to clear the pretty hostname first and then static hostname. So let me type the command hostnamectl set hyphen hostname. So empty double quote, inside the double quote empty string hyphen fn pretty. So this will clear the pretty hostname. So yes, you can see that pretty hostname is got deleted. Now let us try to reset the static. Going to delete the static. Okay, so you can see that static hostname is got deleted. Let me check the entries in cat/etc/hostname. Okay, so here you can see that hostname file itself got deleted here. So updating or deleting the static hostname is very dangerous. So make sure that your computer is isolated or in standalone mode, which means that your computer should not be in network. Okay. So now I am once again putting back the static hostname using hostnamectl command. So now you can see that file is got restored. Okay. So I tried rebooting also. Rebooting doesn't work. Okay. So better put back the static hostname entry if it has got deleted. So I'm optionally restarting the system d-hostname services. Yes, that's it.